In a few minutes, you'll have access to high-quality, over-the-shoulder instructional video content. Content you can use to teach or sell, or to keep your members subscribed to your video membership or learning center, and so that you can be positioned as an educator in your niche, with no work at all on your part. Now, this resale rights course comes with everything you need to market yourself and the course. High-quality, step-by-step, on-screen, over-the-shoulder instructional tutorial videos, sales material source files and sales graphics, and a super high-value limited-time bonus, resale rights to our live PLR video course on Internet Marketing Fundamentals. This bonus course comes with videos, marketing pages, and graphics to rebrand and position the course. Now, if you've listened this far, you already know the value of solid video instruction created by a veteran trainer and internet marketer. Let's briefly review what you're getting. High-quality, on-screen, over-the-shoulder MP4 videos, companion MP3 audios, machine video transcripts, sales pages and sales videos, e-covers and sales graphics, lead magnet page, lead magnet video, resale rights to our live fundamentals PLR 1.0 videos with sales pages, source files, and sales materials. Hit the Buy Now button. Start downloading and using your content. Hit the Buy Now button.